So what a pleasant evening to you, ma'am, and to my dear classmates. This is Jessamay A. Sanchez. Today, I will share with you the three philosophical perspectives on the self that resonate with me the most. So these are the perspectives that I believe to relate my life, experiences, and personal growth. So the first philosopher that resonate with me is Socrates, that remind us to know thyself. So this is if a person know who he or she is, all basic issues and difficulties in life will vanish and everything will be clearer and simpler. So this perspective with me because I believe that knowing myself will help me to identify and make my life easier on what path or decision I do in life. So I experienced this when I am in senior high school. I asked myself, where and what do I do after I graduated in senior high school? What right path I chose if I chose to follow my decisions? So I start knowing myself, knowing my strengths and weaknesses, and do what program do I want in the next school year and what is the purpose of choosing this program. So the second philosopher is Saint Augustine that said reflection on the relation between time and memory greatly influenced many fundamental doctrines of psychology. So this perspective resonate with me because I take so many time to reflect on my life, what is happening and what do I learn from the experiences that God has taught me. So this helped me to become a better person. Looking back, I know I've grown, and also it should be the best experiences I had. So I remember when I was in junior high school, I disobey my parents, argue and talk about with them, um, talk back with them. So that forever reminded me how irresponsible child I was. So as I reflected with my past experiences, it made me realize I wanted to become a responsible and so the third philosopher is Sigmund Freud that says the self is the multi-layered and is composed of three structure of human mind, the id, ego, and superego. So this resonate with me because id says in simpler ways, I want it now. The ego says, think first, what is the best decision? While the superego says it is the right thing to do. So because honestly, as a college student, it is so hard to be a working student that it is important to me to balance the idea of being a student and doing a household chores every time without questioning the owner of the house. So I chose to prioritize my responsibilities because it is the right thing to do. For example, when I will do a shopping, then I need to do a household chore. So it is a conflict between what I want to do and what I need to do. So this idea reflects the way I make decision in my daily life. So Freud's perspectives help me understand that the choices I make are influenced by my desires, my reasoning, and my values. So as a working student, I experience it almost every day. So there are times when I feel exhausted after work and all I want to do is rest or sleep. That is what Freud described as the id, the part of me that seeks comfort and immediate satisfaction. So however, I know that also have a assignment to complete, lessons to study, and responsibilities as a student. So my ego helps me think logically on how to manage my time, complete my lessons, to study, and while my super ego help me to identify my importance of finishing my goals, values, and education. Even though this is difficult, I chose to continue studying because I know my sacrifice today will help me build a better future. So this perspective resonate with me the most because it reminds me that being responsible is not about always being doing what I want, but about making the right decisions even when they require effort and self-discipline, and also the determination that we have, the courage to continue, and the ability of growing is the best idea of the superego will help me to the identify and learn from it. So also, Freud's idea helped me identify and understand the choices influence of my decisions in life, and the determination to continue and make a big decisions that will help me build my career and my future. Thank you.